Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the header name on a Blocksy starter site. Okay, so we have here a starter site, and you can see there's lots of demo content and so on, but you can see that our header name here says starter site. What if we wanted to change it for our website? What if we wanted it to say website assets? Alright, so first things first, we're going to click on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, once we're here, let's click on Header, and it gives us our 3-row layout here for our header. Let's click on Logo because the site title is under our logo, and we have our logo here, and you scroll down, you'll see we have site title. Now we can choose to just remove it if our logo had the name already, so we don't need to do anything with that, but we can enable it, and we can choose to show it on desktop, tablet, or mobile, depending on if we have enough space or responsiveness, as we call it. And let's go ahead and just type in our website name. You can see we have it there. And if we wanted to change the color, let's say under design, we can have it initial be neon yellow. And when we hover over it, we can have it be bright blue. Okay, and you can also change the color depending on the states and stuff. And we can also change the font. So since this is a sans serif font, let's choose this, and it's going to be a serif font. We can also change if it's bold, whether or not if it's bold, or the font size, and other options if we wanted to strike through or underline it. Let's go with that. So once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish. Wait for it to save. And let's go ahead and hit Reload. And you can see that we have successfully changed our header name on a Blocksy starter site. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.